Heather, I think back to 2006. Is that when you started? Okay, I think I hired you for like tax planning. Was that your title then? Something like that.
It was financial research coordinator, I think. It took me a minute to think of that.
Well, I've been in the business so long up until then, and I understood the need for tax planning, but we really didn't have any strategic plans. We didn't have a department. Speak to, as we fast forward now to 2024, our tax planning department and the role they play behind the scenes. I don't think people realize how much work they do, but the importance of the role they play behind the scenes at no additional charge. We don't charge for these services, but for our clients of Tony Walker Financial.
Right. I think you originally hired me, like you said, for essentially some tax planning. I had a background in accounting. Right now, our tax planning department consists of TJ Reagan and Leanne Tinsley. And there's so many tax issues in retirement. I think people are just like, oh, you pay your taxes. But it does change with retirement in between required minimum distributions, possible Roth conversions, legacy planning, estate planning. There are so many issues that are involved in your retirement as far as taxes go. And to have two full-time people on staff that can answer those questions, and they work, as you mentioned, they work behind the scenes. There's a lot of tax planning inside the plans that we present to potential clients. They may not see that initially, but it's in there. And because we're trying to be proactive as much as we can on tax issues that may come their way.
And then also, I think what a lot of people don't realize, I had some clients, prospective clients yesterday, they're moving forward. And the lady, she was so funny. She said, so make sure I understand this. Really what you're going to be doing is taking over the paycheck we were getting. You're taking all the taxes out and all that. So speak to our tax planning department too, how we hone in. Not only are we just going to send them money so they can continue to enjoy retirement, we're also doing all the calculations, the withholdings, all that. How does that process work?
Yes, so that's one of the things we do even look at when we're preparing a plan. Especially TJ, he does look at what we're projecting income to be. And then based on current tax brackets, of course, we can try to guess at future, but good luck. But then we look at those tax brackets that they will be currently in given projected income. And also that will factor in if we're looking at Roth conversions, trying to stay within their current tax bracket and things of that nature. So it's a great service to have, and not every advisor has that ability to do that.
Looking for an advisor you can trust? Schedule your free phone call with Tony at TonyWalkerFinancial.com or call 1-877-499-9255.